friends, welcome to the August edition of Days in the Life. I hope you're all doing well. I know the last few weeks have been a bit more chill on the vlog sphere with my, mini walks and mini adventures here and there, but don't worry, we are back. I've got several more adventures, especially towards the end of the year, so you do not want to miss out on any of that. A few running races here and there, and prepping for some big stuff, including some big travel. I'm looking forward to bringing that to you, so definitely stay tuned. But for now, on with the day. Gotten cool enough that I'm able to take a walk outside. Although it's like still 80 plus degrees, 7 o'clock in the evening. so much for hanging out with me these last couple days. I hope you had a good and relaxing time. Do come back next week as I have a whole new adventure for you, so you do not want to miss out on any of that. Until then, I hope you're all doing well. Let me know in the comments. I'll see you all next time. Take care.